Hi, I'm Laura. Thank you for watching Pete's RV TV. We are going to be looking at the 2018 Cherokee 274DBH. We have a power tongue jack in the front. We have the place for storage for the propane tanks and your batteries. Nice big storage area here to put lawn chairs and tables in, or whatever else your heart desires. Solar charge. So if you want to buy a little solar charger to plug in there, so you keep your battery charged up if you're going dry camping. Nice large grab assist handle. So you could find your way up after a long night having fun with your buddies. Indoor outdoor speakers, TV mount. And your tires have some tire pressure sensors on them. So you can tell when you need air. They start turning yellow, then they turn to red. You've got a power awning up there with blue LED lights. The blue LED lights light up just enough so you can see what's going on at the campsite, but doesn't attract mosquitoes because it doesn't get hot. Second entryway to the camper right here. Great bathroom. That way people can just come in the back here and they don't have to worry about tracking dirt throughout your whole camper. You got a travel rack in the back also, where you can put your bikes, coolers, whatever else you need to bring with you, and your spare tires back there just in case. Let's head on inside. What I like most about this is the nice blue night light that runs up here. So you don't have to turn all your lights on at night. You can just have that on, and at night, you know, nice ambiance in here. 2 double-sized bunks. Good windows on each end. Some campers don't have windows in both bunks, so you have to pick your favorite kid to sleep in the one with a window. And we have the U-dinette here, which has plenty of room for a bunch of people. Nice storage drawers made with real wood, 40 inches long on both sides, so you can put stuff under there. This is my favorite part here. We have this really nice pantry. Very good sized pantry. You can fit a lot of things in there. Got a good sized refrigerator, stove, and your sink is stainless steel. I don't know if you wanted to take another look at the bathroom. There is a lot of storage in there. Pretty good sized tub. You can create more counter space because this oven has a glass cover. So when you're making stuff or you're looking for a place for your coffee maker, you don't really have to worry too much about losing counter space. Stainless steel sink is great. I love it. Plus it's got the sprayer in case you need to get down in there to clean something out really good. Lots of drawer space under here and counter space and storage everywhere. It's got a good stereo system, Bluetooth setup so you could talk on your phone without having your phone up to your ear. TV mount. Let's check out the bedroom. So in here you have a lot of storage space. You got a place to hang clothes up in both of these. So you don't have to miss your Friday night dance. You can have your dress hung up in there. It's got plenty of room. And under here, you don't have to hold anything up to store stuff under your bed, which is wonderful. I'm Laura. Thank you for watching Pete's RV TV. Check us out online at www.petesrv.com. Thank you.